Hey guys, today I'm going to clean out my RC workshop. And since I find these videos very intriguing myself, I'm going to take you with me. As you can see, there is a lot of stuff in here at the moment. And I can finally take some stuff out of this space. This room is attached to my garage and it's the perfect place for me and all my hobbies. But as you guys can see, it somehow gets filled with all kinds of crap. So, the outside furniture is now going to be used elsewhere. So this is going to be replaced by two of the chairs you see here. And the rest is going into the house. The workbench is usually always messy. But I bet I'm not the only one in that situation. But it's always useful with a reset. I'm a real hobby person, so I dip my toes in more than one hobby. Like 3D printing, knife sharpening, here's my knife sharpening gear, and target shooting with bow, and plus. So this was a quick before shot of my garage, so let's start organizing and make it a place I actually want to spend some time. That did not take as long as I anticipated, so now you can see the finished result. Now all of my crawlers is nicely displayed on the shelf. Only thing I'm missing here is a Vanquish rig. But hopefully, someday. My Traxxas UDR is one of my coolest cars, I think. It looks epic when I drive it. Got a new body for it, so I'm looking forward to painting that. These shelves look a little out of place, but it's what I have for now, so this room is always a work in progress. These cabinets is perfect for this garage system. A ton of storage is perfect when you have a lot of knickknacks. The workbench is looking really nice. It's much more fun to start on a project when it looks like this. It's perfect with cabinets and drawer systems close to the main work area for workflow and knowing where things are. And of course my Prusa Mini, that is perfect when you're in the RC hobby. On this wall we have all my radios and the pegboard with all my knife sharpening stuff. And the accessories is for my Tormek T8 sharpening system. And I have a Canonian Worksharp knife sharpener as well. And here is the final overview of the result. This workshop is usually under constant change and updates will come. If you want more in-depth of what is in the cabinets and drawers, comment down below and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you liked the video.